$500 a day is a number that sounds like it requires something: a degree, an investment, a pitch deck, a platform with 10,000 followers. Does not. $500 a day is 4 customers at $125 each. It is 3 jobs at $165 each. It is 2 appointments at $250 each. In the right hustle, with the right pricing, in a single weekday of focused work, $500 is not an exceptional day. It is a Tuesday. The 13 hustles on this list all clear that number routinely. Most were common knowledge in American towns before 1980. All of them faded, not because they stopped paying, but because the people running them aged out and the culture stopped teaching replacements. That left a gap. The customers are still there. The need is still there. The daily rate has, in many cases, never been higher. These are the 13 forgotten side hustles that pay $500 a day in 2026. The math is in every entry. Judge for yourself. Hustle number 13, junk removal and cleanouts. Every home in America accumulates things that eventually need to go. Old appliances, broken furniture, the contents of a garage that has not been touched since 2009. Professional junk removal companies charge $300 to $600 per load, and they run 2 to 3 loads per truck per day. Customers know they are paying a premium, and they pay it anyway, because the alternative is doing it themselves on a Saturday. An independent operator with a rented box truck can undercut the chains by 20% and still clear $400 to $500 per load net. That means 2 loads in a day brings $800 to $1,000. 3 loads in a day bring $1,200 or more. One operator in Charlotte, who started with a single pickup targeting estate sale companies, cleared $112,000 last year. Some operators report 2 loads in a day, netting $600 to $800. The work is physical. Most people do not want to do it. That is the point. Hustle number 12, mobile welding and metal fabrication. A certified welder with a portable MIG unit and a work truck has one of the most in-demand skill sets in the residential service economy and almost no competition. The large shops are busy with industrial contracts. The homeowner who needs a fence repaired or a gate fabricated has nowhere to go except whoever answers the phone. Mobile welding rates run $80 to $150 per hour. A fence repair bills $200 to $400. A custom gate costs $400 to $800. 3 to 4 jobs in a day brings $500 to $900 with minimal material cost on repair work. One retired iron worker in suburban Texas set up a mobile welding operation after leaving his company. He works 4 days a week, takes no jobs more than 25 miles from his house, and uses a hand-printed flyer distributed to feed stores, ranch supply shops, and agricultural co-ops. Last year, he grossed $88,000. He has never built a website. His phone does not stop ringing between February and November. A portable welder costs $1,500 to $3,000 new. Certification runs $200 to $800 and takes a few weeks. The barrier is the skill, which takes time, not the market, which is already there. Hustle number 11, seal coating and crack filling. Every asphalt driveway needs sealing every 2 to 3 years or it fails. A 2-person crew with a drum, a squeegee, and a commercial sprayer completes 6 to 8 residential driveways in a day at $150 to $300 each. 6 driveways at $200 on average bring in $1,200. Split between 2 people after materials, that is $400 to $500 each. Commercial lots bill $800 to $3,000 and take 4 to 6 hours. One operator in upstate New York has run a 2-person seal coating operation with his brother-in-law every spring and fall for 9 years in May and June, then September and October. Each seasonal window generates $25,000 to $35,000 per person. The total equipment investment is $4,000, recouped in the first 4 days of the first season. The product costs roughly $40 per driveway and material. The labor skill is learnable in a single day. The market renews automatically every 2 years. Every driveway they seal becomes a callback client on its own schedule without any further selling required. Hustle number 10, handyman for rental properties. Every landlord in America has the same problem. Every time something breaks in a rental unit, they have to find a trade contractor who is booked 3 weeks out and has no loyalty to them. A handyman who specializes exclusively in rental property maintenance, positioning as a landlord's permanent on-call resource, can charge $60 to $90 per hour for standard work and command premium rates for same-day availability. 5 jobs in a rental property day at a $100 average comes to $500. Toilet repairs, door hardware, light fixtures, none of it glamorous, all of it recurring. One handyman in suburban Columbus built a landlord-only practice over 3 years and now has 22 property management clients on monthly retainer. Last year, $94,000. He networks at one monthly landlord association meeting and does no